Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Uma Shankar. Today we are going to discuss about the thermodynamics. Now in one of the topic in thermodynamics, the topic is proof of Cp minus Cv is equal to R. This relation is also called as Mayer's relation. This relation is not important in competitive exams, but the relation is important in examination point of view. Now how to prove the this relation? See this board. First of all, this is a container. This container having a gaseous molecules are present in this container. This container is connected to the piston. This piston is fixed in this process. Now this gas is called as ideal gas. Ideal gas, this is 1 mole of ideal gas. This is 1 mole of ideal gas in this container. This container is connected to the piston. This piston is fixed piston. It means this is constant. The volume is constant. Constant volume. It means delta V is equal to 0 or delta V or dV is equal to 0. When this container applied to the heat is applied to the this process. Now what happened? Now whenever the heat is occurring, its heat is occurring at process at constant volume. In my previous class I am going to explain them this formula. Q is equal to N into C equal to NCV delta T. It means Q is heat observed and released is equal to NCV delta T. But in this process N is equal to 1. It means the heat is observed of this process. It means the heat is dq. In heat is small change. In heat is small change in the this process in N into Cv delta T. Now in this process it means the temperature is rises. Whenever the heat is applied to this process, the gaseous molecules, the temperature rises. Temperature rises, it means delta T. The small change, delta T. Q is equal to NCV delta T. Now delta dq is equal to Cv delta T. Cv delta T. Now in this process work done, W is equal to integration of P into dV. But in this process constant volume, it means dV is equal to 0. W is equal to 0. But in first law of thermodynamics, dq is equal to dW plus du. dq is equal to dW plus du. This is the first law of thermodynamics in differential form. Now what happened in this dW value is substituting in this equation. dq is equal to 0 plus du. But dq is equal to Cv dt. Cv dt is equal to du. Internal and change in internal energy is equal to Cv dt. In this process what happened, this process is constant volume, heat occurring of this process at constant volume, internal energy is equal to Cv dt in this process. Now at constant pressure, same process what happened, this container having a gaseous molecules are present in there. Now this is the piston is connected to this container, but in this piston is movable piston are present in there. Movable piston are present in the this process. This process at constant pressure. This process is at constant pressure. Movable piston is present in there. Now what happened? This is also ideal gas equation. This is 1 mole of ideal gas equation. This is also 1 mole of ideal gas equation. Whenever the heat is applied to this process, when the heat is applied to this process, the temperature is rises. It means the temperature is delta dt. Same change of the dt in this process and also this process. This process is the temperature is rises is small dt, and this is also this process whether this process the temperature is rises is dt. Now what happened at constant pressure heat is occurring of this process. Now the Q is equal to NCP dt. NCP delta T. Heat observed of this process, the NCP delta T at constant pressure. Q is equal to NCP delta T. Now what happened? In the heat is observed, it means dq, the small change of the dq is equal to NCP delta T. In N is equal to number of moles of this is ideal gas. It means 1 into Cp delta T. The temperature is rises in small change. It means dt. Now dq is equal to Cp dt. dq is equal to Cp dt. Now what happened in this process? Work done. It means dw is equal to p dv. Now the heat is applied to this container. The gaseous molecules are expand. It means the work, some external work is present in there. It means dw is equal to p dv. This is the work done is present in this process. dw is equal to p dv. Now in first law of thermodynamics, dq is equal to dw plus du. Now dq value is Cp dt. Cp dt is equal to dw is equal to p dv plus du. Now what happened in ideal gas? Internal energy is only depend upon the temperature. Now when the temperature is increases, the internal energy is increases. In ideal gas, internal energy is only depending upon the temperature. It means du is equal to Cv delta T. This value is substituted in this equation. Cp dt is equal to pdv plus Cv dt. Now in this process is in ideal gas equation is equal to PV is equal to nRT. It means number of moles. This PV is equal to nRT. The partial differentiation, now P dV plus VdP is equal to, this is the number of moles is 1. It RT is partial differentiation R dt. Now what happened? PdV plus VdP. In this process, VdP, it means this process is constant pressure. Whenever the constant pressure of this process, this change in pressure is equal to 0. It means VdP value is 0. PdV is equal to R dt. This PdV is equal to R dt value is substituting in this equation. Now Cp dt is equal to R dt plus Cv dt. Now dt is cancelled. Cp minus Cv is equal to R. This is the relation of the Cp minus Cv is equal to R in at constant volume at constant pressure in ideal gas equation. At 1 mole of ideal gas, the temperature is rises of temperature at small change in dt in these two process. Same internal energy is rises in these two process. This is the concept of the Cp minus Cv is equal to R. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.